Hi everybody, welcome back to our Sunday school. What we're featuring here today, we're featuring 3D speed. Gonna do a one-step polish on this hood right here. And what I'm doing, I'm prepping it. I'm prepping the surface, taking off the contamination using 3D Final Touch and our 3D clay pad. All right, everybody. So we're gonna do a one-step polish on this hood right here using 3D speed and our light spider pad, light purple spider pad. So we're using a dual action polisher. You always want to overlap your passes. You don't want to move it too fast. You want to go pretty slow. You're not using a high speed or a rotary that you have to keep on moving constantly pretty fast. It's a dual action polisher. The slower you move it, the more correction it's going to do. Like that, you don't have to do 100 passes. And also too, this right here only takes a few passes with 3D speed and you're pretty much done. All right, so now that we've done all the paint correction, doing a one step with 3D speed, now I'm going to show you guys what we did. Very easy. We corrected about 80% of the imperfections. We can correct more just by changing the pads and going more aggressive. It all depends on what you're trying to accomplish. If you're trying to do 100% correction, then you want to use different pads, maybe something more aggressive. But right here we did a one step, one pad, one product, and we're done. Thank you guys. And that's how easy it is to use 3D speed. See you next week.